A modern skyscraper is a vertical forest of glass, holding back the wind and weather with a material that is technically invisible. This is silica sand, the raw material for every window pane on Earth. In this state, it is jagged, rough, and completely opaque. To turn this gritty dirt into a smooth, transparent solid, industrial engineers have to break the material's physical rules. The transition from opaque to clear is governed by the extreme manipulation of thermodynamics. This graphic shows that transition. The sand is subjected to heat that spikes to 3,000 degrees Celsius, a threshold high enough to shatter the material's rigid atomic order and force a total state change. The process begins in massive industrial plants, where raw silica is loaded by the ton into a central furnace. Inside, massive furnace fires activate, drenching the raw sand in intense thermal energy. This diagram represents the sand's internal geometry. As the heat increases, this highly ordered lattice structure begins to vibrate. As the temperature climbs, the vibrations become so intense that the connecting nodes between atoms begin to stretch and fray. This isn't just warming the material. The heat is systematically dismantling the sand's atomic foundation to prepare it for structural collapse. The furnace eventually crosses the peak threshold, 3,000 degrees Celsius. At this point, the solid sand loses its shape entirely and becomes a glowing, flowing liquid. The bonds holding the silica together snap. The atoms are now disconnected, floating in a chaotic swarm. This liquid is currently unusable. As the sand melts, it traps pockets of air and gas, creating a fluid filled with microscopic bubbles. At 3,000 degrees, the liquid becomes thin and less viscous. This allows the trapped gas bubbles to finally overcome the weight of the molten silica and float to the surface, purging the material of the imperfections that would cause a hazy finish. This controlled purification ensures the final glass will be perfectly homogenized and clear. Modern engineering doesn't just create the heat, it tames the resulting liquid to guarantee transparency before the cooling process even begins. The molten glass moves from the furnace into the cooling chamber to begin its thermal descent. If the liquid cools too slowly, the particles will settle back into their original, opaque crystalline patterns. If it cools too quickly, the exterior of the glass hardens while the interior is still moving, causing the material to shatter from thermal shock. This is solved through annealing. The cooling rate follows a precise curve, navigating the narrow window between crystallization and shattering. By following this path, the chaotic liquid particles are locked in place before they have time to form crystals. It becomes a solid with the random, disordered structure of a liquid. This creates the final product, a perfectly flat, invisible sheet of glass. Every window we look through is a captured moment of 3,000-degree chaos, successfully frozen in place.